This time, shit has literally gone out of hand. Not even joking. Welcome to F This Week, everybody, where we take trending topics for the entire week and throw it at people like you. Today, we have gone to the streets in Mumbai and asked people something devastating that has happened on the 1st of this new year. Suppose that idiot is watching this. What do you have to say to somebody like that? What do you have to say to somebody that's sick?
Oh, that is honestly just the lowest thing you could possibly do. You have no respect for your mother, your sisters, your aunts, nobody if you can do something like that and still wake up in the morning the next day. You should be saying sorry to every woman you've ever looked at in your life if you have the nerve to even touch someone like that. It's just disgusting what you do.
Go f yourself.
Of you bastard, you don't need anything else. You are covered and you can just do all this shit, nothing else.
Do that to a guy who's your size and then let's see what he can do to you. Not to a girl.
It's sad that something like this would have happened. I mean, like personally, I've never been in such a position, but just to imagine, she was so close to her house. Like that's what I read, and I was just like, if I was so close to my house and something like this would have happened, I'd just be like,
every girl, should have an individual power, and every girl should step out without any hesitation or anything. Every girl had the freedom to go out. There is a saying says that every woman, men is attached to every woman.
Right.
Okay,
So you have to be a man.
be a man.
You have to be equal.
Yeah,
and you have to kick them in the nuts.
I do not understand, first of all, why somebody should do something like that. I do not even understand the politician who commented that this is perfectly
Bingo.
fine. बड़े शहरों में ऐसी बातें होती हैं, Sarojini kind of shit. You cannot have politicians masquerading as politicians when they're actually goons. Because we have a lot of that going on in India. We've got a lot of double-faced shit going on over here. We've got people who are eve-teasing all the time, and you cannot say it's okay. It's not okay. If it happened to your wife or your daughter, it would not be okay. It's never okay.
Stop blaming the clothes, please. That's all. Just, a girl can dress up the way she wants.
And living in fear, is it there in your mind somewhere that, okay, now I have to be careful here?
Yeah,
I have to
it's
be
there.
careful
But then the thing is, you cannot even trust the policemen in our country so well.
Let me tell you one thing straight away. India is a sexually frustrated country. Okay, there's no doubt about
What
it.
is the solution?
The solution over here is to be more open about SEX.
Talk about sex.
Talk about it. Educate people.
Fantastic. Fantastic. And that is one of the solutions. It's not everything, but it's one. Good on you, woman. Good on you. We need people like her, smart people.
They have removed the word sex from education in schools now.
So
So
what is
it's
it
beep education. And I know
The joke's on you, Kama Sutra country.
I think that man, the rapist or whoever the hell he is, he should be shown pink back to back. We burn candles.
yeah.
Once the situation dies down, okay, we go about our life. किसी और की लड़की है हमारी थोड़ी हमको क्या फर्क पड़ेगा.
my father, for example, when it's 10, he doesn't let me go down in such incidents. Like I don't have any reply to my father when he mentions such incidents.
And it's not the end of the
No,
discussion. and the
I
solution
believe that there can always be space for change, and India is changing, and I have full faith that whoever is watching this out there will definitely think twice before approaching a woman with that kind of intention.
I doubt.
Mass incident that happened on the New Year party thing, that was really sad seeing there are cops and everything and the Home Minister saying, okay, we couldn't do anything, we were outnumbered or something, but that's not the way. You're a state minister, you put more cops, or you see how the people are behaving. You cordon off the place, so you do things like that. Being a law student, that feels really sad looking at the things in the country today.
Meanwhile, in Hyderabad has its own set of news, making it to the front page of papers and social media alike. What has happened is that a banker, backed by his American friend, has been growing cannabis in his 3-bedroom apartment under strict supervision of air conditioners and LED lights, which is apparently the best way to grow cannabis, and that is how we should be growing it in the country. But let's see what people have to say about this particular trending news.
I don't do drugs.
No, but what do you think about it?
It's not good, I mean.
If given the opportunity, would you try it once to see what the fuss is all about?
I have, but it's horrible.
What were you going through when you smoked?
I didn't like it. It just hurt my throat.
It hurt you.
The joint apparently.
Right.
That's why I stopped everything now.
Good on you. You're a good man. Thanks a lot. What do you have to say about weed in general?
Oh, well, see, I'm not against it. Okay.
But you won't be like, hey, go and smoke it either.
Yeah, don't go. Yeah, don't.
It's like
It's
whatever's
bad, it's
happening,
bad.
it's fine. It's bad in some sense.
It's bad, yeah.
Have you smoked?
No.
Would you ever try it?
No.
What if I were to give you a joint right now?
No, no, no.
It should be legalized.
It should be legal. And you?
Yeah, same.
About time, right?
Yeah, about
Everybody needs to chill the F out.
Are you listening, government? Listen to the intellectual lawyer. He has things to say and you have to do them. Up next, we have a viral trending YouTuber, or so he says.
Wait.
Trending on YouTube.
Wait.
Trending on YouTube.
Wait.
Trending on YouTube. That's one.
Here's the funny thing. Bhang is legal, you can consume it.
Yes.
But you can't smoke weed. Why?
Because Shivji has not given a license for that.
I know it's normal.
It's normal, no? Yeah. Right. You have a joint?
Question for you.
Ask him. Ask him. Come, Faizan. How are you doing, Faizan? Banker got busted for going weed in his house. And he was taking the help of an American friend. Say that to the camera. Just tell that to the camera.
What is
That is the future of this country.
Thank you so much for watching it this week, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. We had lot of fun, lot of temper while making this because obviously this was a bit disturbing. But stay tuned for more fun episodes from Ebb This Week coming next week. Hopefully till then that 1 week would be very light-hearted and we will talk about light-hearted things. That's all on you, countrymen. It's all on you, India. What you decide to do. Till then, you will like and you will subscribe because I'm watching you.